My name is Donna Himes, and I'm the marketing director for Blue Knob All Seasons Resort. We got probably around 12 inches in Tuesday's storm, and with the additional snow squalls that we've been getting in the lake effect snows, we decided, hey, we have so many people asking us, please open up again. So we thought, okay, we'll try it on a limited basis. So we're open today till 7, and we'll be open through Saturday, each day noon till 7. Right now we have about 14 slopes and trails open. Our ski patrol checks every day, and we will open and close slopes as the conditions warrant. But the weather today is pretty windy. There's some pretty hardy souls out there today, but they were waiting when we got here, and they were walking around waiting for the lifts to open. So we have, I'm not quite sure how many people are out there today, but a good number for a weekday with a short notice. And we're thinking that Thursday, Friday, and Saturday are going to be great days. The wind is supposed to die down, and we are still supposed to get those additional lake effect snow squalls. So Thursday, Friday, and Saturday look like they are going to be awesome days for skiing at Blue Knob All Seasons Resort.
Yeah, you can try. Go ahead. Oh, this is great. We're gonna be famous. I know. Yeah, we'll be on Facebook. Is this put on Facebook page? I think so. This is? I don't know. They're flexing.